guys, Jason here, and I just got done building a little prop. It's not all the way done, but it's gonna be done for tomorrow because we have class, and I'm gonna make some things here. My goal is so that way we can do permanent lighting and Christmas light training here in Indianapolis. So this way we can stay safe. We can show you how to use the pitch hopper. We can show you climbing up roofs. We can do all of those awesome things to keep you safe, so that way when you get out on the real world, you can try the pitch hopper, you can try the goat, you can try everything here at the training so you know how it feels when you go out on there. So that is how we are able to get up and down on here. We're able to run our lights up, jump over, put our lights on our gutters. So that way you know how to put your lights on. So if you want to go check out the in-person training, again, it's a 2-day course. One day is all about Christmas lights. I'm probably going to start putting permanent lighting in it. And guess what? It's marketing. That's the most important thing. See you in my next video.